2016 Keystone Outback Diamond Super-Lite 328RL for sale in Pontiac, Illinois 61764. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Keystone Outback Diamond Super-Lite 328RL. This luxurious travel trailer is 37.33 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably sleep up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as a power leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its excellent condition. Highlights include 3-slide rear living area, teak leather furniture/theater seating plus trifold queen sleeper sofa, entertainment center with HD TV, DVD player with Bluetooth remote control app, lounge dinette/with storage underneath, kitchen island/sink, microwave under counter, 3-burner stainless range with oven, 2-door 8 cubic feet refrigerator. Bathroom has skylight over corner shower, porcelain foot flush toilet, large linen closet. Bedroom has king-size bed, TV hookup, bedroom speakers, 2 full-length wardrobes, recessed cubby storage with 110-volt outlets, USB charging port. Deluxe exterior features, power stabilizer jacks, power tongue jack, aluminum construction, power awning, command smart automation system. See picture of entire equipment list. This 2016 Keystone Outback Diamond Super-Lite 328RL is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2016 Keystone Outback Diamond Super-Lite 328RL can be yours.